guys, it's Mrs. Holbrook, and I want to play a game with you. We're going to play a dice game. So all you need is one die, actually two dice, because you and a partner. Okay, so you're going to just get a piece of scrap paper and your dice, and we're going to start with 2 digits. So I put 2 lines, and you need to do that on your paper. One partner, well, both partners are going to roll the dice. If you don't have dice at home, you can also get online die. Here is my online die. So I just rolled and I got a 5. So then in my space here, I need to pick which spot I want to put the 5. So I can put it in the ones place or the tens place. I'm trying to make the biggest number possible. Both partners are competing to see whose number is bigger. Whoever's number is bigger wins this round. So then I get to roll it one more time, and I got a 4. So that means I put the 4 in this other place, and my number is 54. I don't have a partner today, but I would look at my partner and say, I have 54. They would tell me what they have, and we'd decide whose is bigger or greater. Okay, let's play one more time. If you grab your die, you can play along with me right now. All right, I'm going to roll. I got a 2. A 2 is not a super big number, so I am going to put my 2 in the ones place because I know a die only goes up to 6. So 2 is pretty low. And I'm going to roll and hope I get bigger than a 2 on this roll. A 3. All right, so my number is 32. That would be 3 tens and 2 ones. I would ask my partner and see whose is bigger. Now, if you want this to be more of a challenge, instead of doing 2 digits on your paper, you can draw 3 digits. So now we would have ones, tens, hundreds. Let's play. I will roll and see what I get. What do I get? A 4. I'm going to go ahead and put the 4 in the hundreds because I might not get any bigger than that. All right, let's roll again. A 6. Oh, man, I wish I saved my 6 for the hundreds, but I'll put it in the next biggest place, the tens. Okay, and my last roll, a 1. Okay, good. I'm glad a 1 is here. So my number is 461. Hope it's bigger than my partner's. Have fun playing this game with your siblings or whoever's around your house, or just keep playing against yourself or a stuffed animal. Have fun.